Hi everyone, it's Rose from Barnet Mencap again. Today I'm going to be making the sticky sponge pudding. First of all, you need a microwavable pudding dish. It can be plastic or it can be ceramic. What you need to do is butter the inside of your pudding dish. There we go. And just set it aside. So I'll put it behind me. What I'm using is baking margarine, which you can buy in any supermarket. You can use butter as well. If you do use butter, make sure it's unsalted butter. So I'm going to use 100 grams of baking margarine. There we go. And then I'm going to add 200 grams of plain flour. That's about right. So with this mixture of the flour and the margarine, we're going to rub them together until we get the consistency of breadcrumbs. You'll notice that I'm wearing gloves. This is only because it makes the cleaning of your hands a lot easier when you've finished, because this is quite a messy procedure. So now you see we've got the mixture looking like breadcrumbs. Right, the next thing we're going to do is add 1 teaspoon. I'm going to take off these gloves now. We don't need them anymore. Put them in the bin. So we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we need 2 eggs. So I'm going to add 85 grams of caster sugar to our mixture. There we go. Right. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. There we go. You can add some vanilla extract as well. I normally like to add this to my cakes. It's probably about a teaspoon. There we go, of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix it all together. I like to use an electric mixer. You can use a normal spoon. There we go. this is our mixture, okay, that I've just mixed up with the electric food mixer. But on looking at it, I think I'm going to add one more egg. Now the reason I do that is because adding an extra egg will give you a lighter sponge. So what I will do is I'll just get the food mixer again and mix that egg in. Okay, now that is our mixture with the extra egg. As you can see, it's a bit lighter, a bit more runny. But as I said before, that gives you a lighter sponge. Right, the next thing we're going to add are the dried fruits. Now, you can use any dried fruit with this. But what you will need is probably about, I think it's about 100 grams of dried fruit. So today I'm going to be making a cranberry sponge pudding. You can use sultanas, you can use raisins, you can use blueberries, any dried fruit. Today I'm going to be using cranberries. So I'm going to measure, I think we're going to go for about 85. I'm going to use my hands so that I can separate them. I think I may do 100 actually, to make it really fruity. So about 100 grams of dried fruit. It's perfect. And then we'll mix that into our sponge mixture. As I said before, this is a very, very quick and easy sponge to make. We're not going to be baking it in the oven, we're going to be cooking it in the microwave. So you can actually make this in 10-15 minutes easy. I'm now going to transfer my mixture into my sponge pudding bowl. Just scrape all of that out. Yeah. Then what we need to do is get some cling film. Let's move this out of the way. Right, when we get some cling film, cover your bowl. it's all covered. And you get a fork and pierce the top a few times. And then we're going to put it in a microwave. Right, we're going to put it in a microwave. And you need to cook it on high power for 5 minutes. So it's in the microwave now. I put it on for 5 minutes and I shall see you soon. Okay, so it's all finished now. So we're going to take it out of the microwave. Make sure you use something to take it out because it's very, very hot. Okay. You might need to get someone to help you to take it out of the microwave. Then what we're going to do, we're just going to turn it upside down on a plate. And there you have sponge pudding. And you can serve this with custard, with ice cream, or even golden syrup. We're going to cut into it just to show you what it's like on the inside. Fingers crossed. That already feels good. There we have a sponge pudding. Enjoy.